In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Geometry Dash on PC. First, open up your browser and then type in BlueStacks. So in here, find the link with download BlueStacks. So just scroll down until you find that one. So BlueStacks, download. And then click on download BlueStacks 10. So you just have to wait for it to finish here. So you can see the progress in here. So once done, you just have to tap that one and press run. And then it will now start to download. So just click the install now and wait for it to finish installing. There you go. So once the BlueStack is completely downloaded, let's now go to the search bar at the top and then type in Geometry Dash. And then you will find here the Geometry Dash and it is now ready to install. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.